Good morning, welcome. Today we're working on my wife's 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Not that it matters, 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Got a couple of issues. I'll show you the first one. If you can see that, we're at 36,063 miles. This door shut all the way. As you can see, our traction control light and our ABS light do not clear. So I went and purchased the cheapest scan tool I could find. This Foxwell here that will read and clear ABS codes. So let's go through and I'll show you the code that we have. The brakes work fine. There's no issue with that. So I kind of had an idea what to expect when I hooked this up. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. This is a Foxwell ABS and airbag NT630 Plus. Go to your local parts store and they can check those codes for you for free. Depending on the parts store you go to, some may or may not clear the code for you, which they probably shouldn't, because these are clear on their own if you fix the issue, usually. You just gotta fix it and drive it and it usually clears. So let's hook this up and I'll show you the code I've got. So hook this up to the OBD2 port. It's under the dash on the driver's side, right there. You can see that. Let's go ahead and plug this guy in. I then turn the key on. See, that's powering up just from being plugged in. Put the key in the ignition. Just turn it to the on position, but do not start it. Alright. I don't know if you can see the screen on this thing or not. You might not be able to. I'm just going to hit auto VIN. That's not touchscreen. Oops. So it's got these arrows and whatnot. I'm going to hit auto VIN. Automatic VIN acquisition. And verify that's correct. In my case, that is correct. I will blur that out so you can't see that. Information looks correct. Okay, I'm gonna go to control modules, press enter, chassis, ABS, anti-lock brakes, press enter, and read codes. Let's see, we have a left rear wheel speed sensor circuit that is active, and then stored we have system voltage low, battery voltage low. Okay, so our active code that tripped the ABS light is that left rear wheel speed sensor circuit. So let me show you where that is on here. I've already saved this, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the key off. And I'll be honest with you, I tried just clearing the code, but it will not stay clear. It comes back instantly, so there's actually an issue. So next, we move on to our left rear wheel. I'll show you where the sensor is. Okay, if you can see that plug right there, it's on the back side of the axle. You can see that? See it right there? That is your wheel speed sensor plug. Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm about to do here. We're going to remove this plug for the wheel speed sensor. There we go. It's just dirty. Probably should take in some like electrical contact cleaner or something. Hose that down real good. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'll clean that up really good before we put that back together. Just dirt in it. Once you pull this tab out, it kind of unclips this for you. Then you can pull that off of there, let it hang out of the way. Then we got the single bolt here, if you can see that. We'll take out. It's pretty small. Let's see what size that is. Not bad. It's 8mm. Got this little guy out. Now I think that sensor should wiggle out of there. Yep, and it is just coated in oil. I think it might clean up and work, but I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. Not 100% sure. 100% sure on that. But yeah, that's it. That's what caused our ABS light to come on and our traction control to stop working. Okay, now that that's in place, we can go ahead and install our new wheel speed sensor. Here's our new wheel speed sensor. I got this on rockauto.com. Not terribly expensive. I don't know if you can clean up the oil that's on the old sensor and it work again. Honestly, I don't plan on trying it. But if you've done that and it's worked for you, post it in the comments below. So this aftermarket wheel speed sensor came with a new bolt for it. As you can see, it's an Allen head bolt. I'm going to reuse the old bolt. This regular X head bolt. And the sensor, to install it, so the bolt goes from the bottom. So hold it like that, and just very carefully push it in there. Use some of that anti-seize on this. And that just looks like grease to me, but that works just fine. Just keeps those threads from rusting inside there. And I believe that was 8mm. It's hard to see, but it's 8mm socket. Let's take my 1/4-inch ratchet and snug it up. Okay, that part's done. That's pretty much it. Now we just need to take it for a drive and come back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.